At the end of the day, it's always a philosophical question, right? Of why are we in this universe?
Space just inspires everyone of different backgrounds, different nationalities. So I think it gives, in a sense, kind of hope for humanity.
As human beings, if we're not exploring, then what are we doing?
It's extremely difficult science and technology, but it's possible.
My name is Luis Dominguez, and my job is to assemble all the different components for the Psyche spacecraft.
I'm Julie Lee, and my job is to propel the Psyche spacecraft to a metal-rich asteroid.
Hi, I'm Betty Noy.
My name is Christina Hernandez.
My name is Veena Srikantamurthy.
And I'm making sure that we built a spacecraft that's ready to explore a metal world. What's really exciting about Psyche being a metal-rich asteroid is we haven't yet had the opportunity to explore a planetary core. And that's what we actually think happened to Psyche.
There is a theory that this metallic asteroid may be very closely related to the materials that made up the core of our own planet.
It could have been the remnant of a planetary collision billions of years ago in our solar system. All that's left is the metal-rich remnant.
Scientists hypothesize that by studying this asteroid,
We think that could give us a lot more insights on what our actual planet is doing.
So this is the Psyche spacecraft. We're basically looking at a spaceship that's going into space.
And welcome to High Bay 2 at JPL. We pulled together all the different components that everyone's building, and so this is where we control the Psyche spacecraft. They dictate how things happen on the floor.
this is where I worked on the low voltage power supply for the Psyche mission. It's pretty exciting to watch something that we built with our own hands
To see something that you've spent years on.
launch and in a couple of years reach Psyche and send back science data.
We formed a really critical team.
The diversity of skill sets that each one of us in our community brought to the team to make this kind of impact to society is what inspires me to be an engineer in the space exploration sector.
Go for launch.
4, 3, 2, 1, engine ignition. And liftoff.
Psyche, a mission 10 years in the making, blasted off on top of the SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket this morning at 10:19:43 a.m. Eastern Time from the Kennedy Space Center on its 6-year mission to reach its namesake asteroid 16 Psyche. Everything went beautifully as one would expect from a SpaceX launch,
Side booster separation confirmed.
and after 2.5 minutes, the side boosters separated, which would later land in a spectacular display back at KSC at LZ1 and LZ2.
I don't know, Daryl, but that sonic boom was great for us. I'm sure Jim is excited over there. There's the second one. I'm sure the host desk over there is feeling that really well.
Literally, our monitors were shaking.
At 1 hour and 2 minutes into the launch, the Psyche spacecraft separated from the second stage booster and began its epic journey to study the metal-rich asteroid Psyche. Congratulations to NASA and SpaceX for a mission well done. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every space launch.